everyone. Today I'm going to do a center swipe. So I'll be pouring colors right here in the straight path. Some colors here, some colors here. And then I'll be swiping like this and then like this from the center. So the colors I'm using today are mauve, neon yellow, aquamarine, which is a grandstone color, sky blue, which is also fevicol, neon orange, salmon pink. So these are the colors I'm going to use today. And I may also add some metallic. I'm going to add silicone to all of these paints. So maybe some few drops. Now that I've mixed the silicone in this, so I'm just going to give it a stir. Like I'm stirring a lot because if you stir like once or twice, you'll get bigger cells, I think. And I want tiny cells, so I'm giving it more than one time. A stir more than one time. Just mixing the paints up as I put silicone on them. So this is all glue, water and paint. I'm not going to apply any base to the canvas. Now, which would be the center? The center would be somewhere here, right? So, I'm doing a marking. I'm just assuming that that's the center. My artistic assumption is that. I'm going to put some purple there. Some neon orange. Today I'm just avoiding blue because I've used so much of blue, because previously I had just like 4 primary colors or 3 I think, and I used them in almost every painting I had, and yeah, everything just was blue. So today I'm avoiding the color blue, and that's deliberately because everything in my painting is blue. So fun fact, my husband made a painting recently and he's not an artist. And somehow he chose some colors just randomly and they turned out pretty good. And actually these colors had just arrived brand new and he tried those out. And he's just boasting away since then that he has upped himself in the game making art. So not very happy with that, the artist in me. So I'm just going to put some metallic here and there. I am putting a little bit of blue less, because that's deliberate, because mostly the darker colors eat up the lighter colors. Look at the cells, guys. It's amazing. Look at the colors. Okay, are you ready for this? Let's torch it. So that's it, guys. I hope you like the painting. I'll get you on for a close-up. And that's it. Ta-da. Bye-bye.